cutaway view shows nicotine and harmful chemicals entering the blood vessels from the lungs. The chemicals then bind to the red blood cells as they circulate. Cutaway torso shows the heart beating faster. Nicotine rushes to the brain, causing stress signals. Blood pressure spikes.